For your information, Rachel, na me go kpai you. If you no know, you better dey watch your back.
Hey, my people. Una never hear. Things dey happen for inside life. Una see that video wey be say I do yesterday. Na very dark man I bring am come. That girl wey be say he pour hot water for his friend body because of boyfriend. He come bring another post come out. I go put the video and I go hear by myself. Very dark man, na true very dark man now for see this video. He said the girl wey be say she pour hot water. He said that one never see anything. He said na as he didn't want go bring come so. He said na she go kpai am say never seen something. He said go dey report to police. He said no say that police officer wey be say go dey report to say na him guy. This thing where they tell na so na for Benin for happen. My people, so because of say you know the police or maybe you don't give am kpekus, so you fit do anything where you like. Can you imagine? So now very dark man come bring everything come out because he say as this girl wey be say they pour hot water for his body, as he they come out for station, he can't see the mother of the other girl, the parents. He can't say make this girl where they pour hot water for his body, make it just sign, make them leave everything just go like that. He said this girl where they pour hot water for her body can say she not fit just sign, make everything just go like that. She need justice. First of all, the money where she say she don't spend for her body, he said don't pass over almost 3 million plus. So una no just tell and say make she just sign, make them just leave everything like that. He said the girl can't say she not dey sign anything. The lawyer of this girl where they pour hot water, the lawyer not dey pick call again. Maybe the family of that girl where pour person hot water, maybe the girl was Zobia. Una understand? Maybe they don't settle the lawyer. The lawyer will say, if you not agree sign, make a kukuma come out. Can you imagine? That country, hey, they go say, na Buhari before, na Tinubu, na the citizen, they not make the country work. Not be lie, oh. They not make the country go front, oh. Because person where you be say you don't give money, it go come turn the justice where you define. Now you be right, so because of say you don't get money, they'll come turn upside down. You will be say don't get the money, you come they say, oh, see what they do me, oh, and nobody go agree answer you. Thank God, say very dark man don't inside this case. He say go do everything by everything. Make the justice for come out. Una no fit just poor person hot water. The person go still dey get mind. They talk say she never do you anything. Now she go kpai you. Can you imagine? You now see the girl body. Make I put the video. Make una listen. Things dey happen. Oh. If you be poor, if you be person where be say poor, hey, that country. They say go good. We still dey wait. Now they shout say the country no good. Now people where they lead us. Now people where just dey inside because of say they get money, they go they oppress the people where be say no get. Thank God say very dark man don't still come out. Now that one I can be a second God for them. Because if you get something where be say bang, it go help you. Even very dark man talk and so he say even though say the lawyer not pick again, he not pick that girl call, he go find money there. The girl go take another lawyer. Make I put her make una here. You go do something. You know even like feel remorse. Say, oh, this thing where I do is not good. I don't know when I tell do one. You go see the talk. Say, now you want by him. Hey, now wow. Mona help me love and like and share this video. Now bye bye. Things they happen.
Alright, so the girl that poured her friend water, Tracy, this is what she posted. She said, Rachel, I just dey pity you. You go the report matter to police. Be like you don't know, say the police where they handle the case. Now my guy, Mumu, for Nigeria. She also previously posted that for your information, Rachel, na me go kpai you. If you no know, you better dey watch your back. Na me pour you hot water, but I am walking freely. Don't worry, the next thing I will do is to pour you acid and nothing will still happen. Fat fool. For Nigeria, even though our justice system don't break, you will not go scot-free with this one. If you don't do this kind of thing before, you pour your fellow human being hot water. You burn the person's skin. No remorse whatsoever. You still they challenge the person again because they let you they walk free. Because justice for Nigeria sometimes can be bought. But I want to believe that this one, you will not walk freely. So I was now doing some investigation. I was asking questions, who really carry who go police station? And I found out that it was Tracy where the person where pour person hot water, now carry the case go station. And she went to go and complain after she poured the water that the reason why she poured her friend hot water is because she found out that her friend slept with her boyfriend. And when she confronted her friend, that her friend now told her that yes, she will continue sleeping with him. And not just that, if she challenged her, she will release her nude. Now, all these things, when I hear, is this a justifiable reason why you pour hot water for human being body? You say she threatened you, say she go release your nude. So you no road to police station after you don't pour hot water, but you no road to police when she threatened you, according to what you are claiming. You say sleep with your boyfriend. Do you have proof? Where's the proof that she threatened you? You go learn, and you go learn the hard way. Human being no be animal. And we cannot enable such character in the society. We cannot enable what? Such character in the society. So I was not speaking with the girl. I said, wait, what is really going on? Who paid for your hospital bill? She said she paid for her hospital bill. Then when she now went to the station, she met some police, police and the girl's parents. Immediately she entered, that the police was not telling her that she should better settle with these people. That she's saying that if I want to settle with these people, Una must compensate me nothing less than 10M. Because I spent 3.5 million to treat myself. As I did like this, I did on treatment of 3.5. Even now, I just spent 500K. That they now say, okay, let them start by paying 500K first. That they now pay 500K. They were now telling her that she should sign. That they've already agreed and they will remove the case. But she did not sign. Next thing, our own lawyer stopped picking her call. Our own lawyer now, the victim, our lawyer stopped picking her call. Police know the answer, nobody the answer. Next thing where she go see this girl don't compose. Say you go the report to police. You know say the police now my guy Mumu. And for your information, I go still pour you acid for inside Nigeria. Although the good part is I just spoke to the PPRO in zone 4, in zone 5 in Edo State. His name is Tijani Momo. I just spoke to him and he said he didn't know about the case, but he's going to do a deeper investigation on the case and he will know the nitty-gritty, everything about the case. You understand? And hopefully that they will take action on this. So we'll be expecting Tijani Momo to actually give us a feedback. Like I said, this kind of character should not be overlooked or encouraged in the society. When we encourage things like this, we endanger ourselves and even our future. So imagine if this girl walks scot-free with this one. You know how many people, other persons go there in danger tomorrow because they feel say they feel by the justice system. Now this girl is telling me that she's scared, that they might come and attack her anywhere, that she wants justice. She's scared. Shall lawyer self know the answer, but that's not the problem. I'll speak to Barrister DJ Adeoju. So if possible, we'll send the lawyer there, I go pay. Lawyer go enter flights, go there. They go sit down, they'll start the case. We'll represent her in court. They should charge that case to court. This is wrong. Because if na my sister say I no go agree, you even get luck. If na normal street, if to say get level for streets pass you, they don't cut you. Yes. You be like say you don't know street law, abi? But they fight for man as soon as age. This is what people are doing with your time. Other countries, I just come up from China, see women. Now women they repair phone. Women they into tech. Go to big automobile companies. Now women they sell. Now women they for board of director, board of trustees. Go and ask people the level of women in China. Now then they control almost everything. Even money now women they control. Nigeria, see what you carry on yourself they do. Women cannot make money unless they sleep with 1,000 men. A lot of them don't even see potentials in themselves. They don't want to self-develop. If you go check now, Yahoo boy now cause this thing. But because you don't value yourself, you bring yourself down and be fighting because of a man. So then you go pour person water, you won't buy person. You dey threaten say you go pour the person acid on top. In 2025, where you supposed to take your time to do it, you go learn. You go learn and you go learn the hard way. So, PRO Tijani Momo, please, we'll be expecting your feedback. And then also, if you want to reach out to PRO Tijani Momo, this is his Instagram handle. Tijani Momo, as you can see, ITZ, it's Tijaz. That's his Instagram handle. You can always reach out to him when there's a problem. It is important that you reach out to them first when there's an emergency. So you can reach out to him. This is his Twitter handle as well. So you can reach out to him, especially on Instagram. So we'll be waiting for your response. Mr. Tijani Momo, the PRO in Zone 5 in Edo State. Thank you very much. Peace and love. Don't play. As you go online, I will learn the hard way.